What's up guys, it's FIFA Chief here, and today I've got some simple investments that can help you make a ton of coins on FIFA 23. But before we jump into that, I'm going to show you the easiest way for you to get some coins. If you guys are looking for the cheapest and most reliable coins on the market, make sure to head over to utnice.com and use code CHIEF for 5% off at checkout. Now let's get right into this video. Alright boys, so diving into today's video, Team of the Year is coming to a swift end here, and Future Stars is about to start, so we got a couple different investments for you guys to help build your coins up here. And let's first off touch on where Fodder's at. Right now, all Fodder, especially 84 plus Fodder, is through the roof at the minute. 84s are going for like 4.5k, 85s are basically extinct at the moment. So Fodder is basically a no touch right now. We have to wait for all of it to drop back down. You can see here 84 Alejandro Gomez going for near 5,000 coins. So what are we going to invest in if we have to wait for Fodder to drop? The number one thing I am looking at for you guys right now is going to be gold team of the week, specifically 81 plus team of the weeks. Now, why would we be looking at team of the weeks? What do we think is going to make these rise? When should we invest? Who should we invest in? All those questions are going to be answered right now. So why team of the weeks? Why would we be looking at these? So in the content for team of the year, we've essentially had no team of the weeks required throughout team of the year, which is essentially the same exact thing as last year. Last year, we basically didn't get any team of the week requirements during team of the year SBCs, and we didn't really get any like crazy casino SBCs. Now, what I want to look at is last year's SBC content. Alright boys, so as you can see here, what we're looking at is we're looking at all SBCs from FIFA 22, and we're starting right at the beginning of Future Stars here. And some things that we're on the lookout for is kind of casino SBCs that require Team of the Weeks. And what we see here is we have an 84 plus player pick. That's a really good option. We have a Future Stars reunion player pick, and we have a party bag SBC. So we got 3 different casino SBCs during Future Stars last year that could make these kind of cards go up big time. And then I also want to show you the team of the weeks from last year and what happened with them when these SBCs dropped. So what we're looking at here is we're looking at the team of the week that was out during the team of the year week. So the current team of the week that we're in right now. And if we look at these team of the weeks, everything basically 81 rated or higher did really well. So let's go ahead and look at the time that this card came into packs. So you can see during team of the year here, it was basically discard price the whole time, 10,000 coins for this 81 team of the week. And a week into February, a week and a half in, they were 17,000 coins. So you can see that these casino SBCs had a major impact on these team of the weeks. So let's go look at like a 79 rated team of the week now. Now the 79s didn't bump as much. They went to about 13.5, 14k, but they did go up here. So my recommendation for these team of the weeks is going to be looking at 81 plus team of the week cards here. Now again, you could go lower rated. I do think they're going to rise, but I feel like the 81s are going to be our best move here. So looking at 81 plus team of the weeks based off of the content we got from last year. What kind of team of the week should we be looking at right now? Who should we be trying to invest in? So first of all, we have the current team of the week that actually expires today. If we look at this team of the week, we're looking at basically anybody that we can get for 11k or less. So 83 Morelos, we like him. 83 Vasquez, we like him. 83 Vojvodo, we like him. 83 Diego Rico, we like him. Any of these cards that we're able to get for basically 10.5, 10k, whatever it may be, we like the pickup for these. Nketiah, Jansen, Dugenzic. There's so many cards here that we like the look of, but we want to stay with 81 rated or higher because the assumption is the SBC is going to be like 84 rated or something, and you can't just throw like a 76 team of the week in there. So hold up. 80% of you guys are not subscribed. Hit the subscribe button, please. And while you're here, you might as well follow on Twitch for daily live streams and join the Discord for more trading tips, investments, all that good stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do what we call club stocking here. Now, what that means is I'm not going to go buy a ton of one card. What I'm going to do here is I'm essentially gonna go purchase one of every single card here, and I'm just gonna throw it in my club for the time being. Now, the hope is I don't already have that in Ketia, and I do, so I'm gonna put him on my transfer list. But the idea here is you buy one of each and every team of the week, and you just store it in your club. And this is something I do quite regularly for when team of the weeks go up in price. If you take a look here in my club, you can see I quite consistently like to club stock team of the weeks. These are only tradable team of the weeks. And you can see I just got a bunch chilling in the club right now. And this typically, I've got a lot more than this, but this is currently what we have. So I'd take a look at what we don't have. I don't have Morelos. I don't have Fodder. I don't have Diego Rico. So I'd want to go and purchase one of each of those and just store it in my club. And again, even if we don't get this content during future stars, we're bound to get content that makes team of the weeks go up at some point. We see it every single year. So I might as well just get in on these cards now, store them in my club for the future, because it's better to have my coins in some sort of asset that's guaranteed to rise at some point than have my coins in nothing and have them just sitting there. So apparently I do have Vojvoda. He's just untradeable. But that's the idea here, is you're going to go and pick up each and every one of these. Now, the worry that a lot of people have is, oh, am I going to lose coins? I don't want to buy these expensive cards and have them drop in price. You got to keep in mind, this is a zero risk investment because this guy literally discards for 10,126 coins, as you can see there. So if I really needed my coins back and his price hasn't moved at all, I could discard him for 10,126. So it's a really simple, no risk investment here that you can make easy coins on. And even if we don't see any movements, like I mentioned, within the next like 2 weeks, which is what we're expecting, look at the rises that you'll see at some point. You can see this guy, he was 17K just a week and a half into February. March here, he went to 22, 23K. April here, he went to 25K. You can see the most of April, he's sitting like 26, 27K. And the rises just keep going. So these team of the weeks are going to rise. It's really, really simple. You just need to go and club stock these guys. Now, what I do tell people is if you only have 50, 60,000 coins, I wouldn't go buy 4 or 5 team of the weeks because you want to have those coins to trade with, whatever it may be. Maybe you want to trade with rash investing, which we do on stream every day. Maybe you're trying to trade with these Spanish wingers here or whatever it may be. You need some coins to do with that, so I wouldn't go invest all the coins that you have. This is more of like, let's say I have 300K and I want to go buy 8 of these team of the week, store them in my club, and hopefully sell those on in a week to 2 weeks here. So that's kind of the idea with this team of the week investing. Club stock these cards if you've got a bunch of coins, store them in your club. And just a side note, if you guys are not joining the streams to make coins, you're seriously missing out because we have been going pretty nuts the last couple of days, especially on rash investing yesterday. You can see some of these wingers that we were picking up and selling for just outrageous prices. But guys, that's gonna be it for this video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.